So first of all, hello to respected guest and my dear friends. So good afternoon to all. This is Fatima before you. Thank you for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to speak on this topic. So today's our topic is that do we really need smart city? I am in favor of no. We don't need a smart cities because just think about that we are developing developed India. We are developing. We don't need the smart cities. We don't need smart. We are still developed. We have successed. We have achieved our goals. We have achieved our goals. So why we need smart cities? To just waste our money, to just waste our time, and just you overlook that government had assumed that they will make the smart cities up to the 2030. In 2015, this is the 2024. So up to they have not made the single smart city as per to the expectation of the Indian citizen. So how can we believe to the government that they will make the smart city up to 2030 under the 6 year? How can we? And one more thing is there, the government said that Nagpur, Delhi, Aurangabad, and Mumbai is a smart city. But in the Nagpur there is a drainage problem. In the Delhi there is a kidnapping problem. In the Mumbai there always with the traffic problem, pollution problem. So what is the benefit of the smart cities? And what is the benefit of the smart cities? We are living in our we don't have, yes, we have to face some problem like a roads problem. So in the future the government will make that roads. So but we don't have to face any kidnapping problem, any drainage problem. Is there any floods in our RV? No. And we don't need any that we don't need, and we don't need this such a there is no traffic in our RV. So why we need smart city? To make our life harder and busier. We just want facilities. So we have our facility, we have a good education, we have the more facilities, we have jobs. Okay, there is unemployment. So after the building the smart city, the what is the guarantee that you will decrease the number of unemployment? How can they will decrease the unemployment? Is it possible or not? Is it not possible? We can't able to decrease the unemployment. And one more thing is there, that the after building the smart city, there's a just frustrated life, anger life. We just going toward our dreamy life. So that the smart city is not a dreamy life. Look at the citizen of Nagpur and the people, the citizen of the who are living in that smart city. As per to the government, they are living in the smart cities. They are not able to live properly. They don't have sufficient home. They have to pay lots of money for the flat. They have to pay the poor people cannot they cannot bear the expenses of the smart cities. So how can, so we you know that we the in living in this RV we can bear such much expenses as we can, because we are not living in a smart city. Our expectation is not that. So we don't need so that's why our wants is not so want that if we will live in we will live in a smart city, that we have more facility. That's why our want our want will that increase. And if we are living in such a simple life, our want will not decrease. Our want will our want will that as per what we want. So that if our want will increase, so our expenses will also increase. Our what our family, our lifestyle will also increase. So that we want more money to that's why if we want more money, we will work harder. So what is the main purpose to make the smart cities? To make the life of the that citizen easier. So for the want we will work harder. So what is the main purpose to make the smart cities? We can live the simpler life in that simple cities. And then one is there, what the education and the government has to give the fund to that, which are they which are they giving to the smart. They can give that fund to the education. The education of the India is not such much that we want more we wanted okay. First, okay, that one of my co-partners said that that CCTV camera is in Delhi. So if there is a CCTV cameras in Delhi, so what is the use of that cameras? To just capture what is happening on the road, the what is accident, what is the what is the main person of the CCTV cameras? To capture the accident, to capture the what kidnapping happened. But if any disaster came and calamities came, so that it is obvious that CCTV camera will not work. So how can the CCTV, that how can we capture an accident? We can capture in that such cases. So what is the use of that smart cities CCTV cameras? Yes, and second point is that investors, the investor will not invest in our India. So why we need that investor? If we for their investing, we have to pay we have to waste our money just to building such a smart city. So why we need the investor? We can build and develop India by our own. We are developing, so we can develop further. We don't need that such a what such as very various investor to invest our country. We don't need that investor. We don't need such a Russia and US's investor to invest our country, to make them, and to for them we need to that for them we need to the smart cities. We made to the smart cities. And one more thing is there. The one more that one of my co-partners says that leaking in the school. So that leaking in school while the monsoon season. So if we build the smart cities, if we build the whatever we want, the smart cities, so the poor people, the government will not give them money to build a home. They have to build a home by their. Okay, thank you.